Hello, in front of me I have REALME GT8 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp chats. Alright, open up your WhatsApp. Once we are here, go into the main page and now click on those three dots in the top right corner and now the settings. Scroll down a little until you find chats, scroll down again and find chat backup. Now let's begin with a Google account. Simply tap on that. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected because that's the Google account that I'm signed into in the settings of my device. Of course, if you want, you can click on Add Account and you can sign into another. But you cannot forget your Google account because the backup generally will be stored in the cloud, Google Cloud of our backup. So if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll have to sign into the exact same Google account. So you cannot forget it. Now, let's go into the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. In my case, I selected the monthly mode, which means that the backup will be automatically made. And I don't need to do this manually, once a month. Of course, you have other modes, daily, weekly, or only when you tap backup. It's up to you which mode you want to use. Of course, you can keep it disabled. I'll stick to the monthly. Now, let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure that it's enabled. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It is not necessary to turn it on. It's an extra security feature that you can enable. And if you click use passkey, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future in the moment when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create a password and you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything. Everything will be lost. So just like I'm saying, if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But it's not necessary. It's an extra option. Also, we need to make sure that we have some free Google storage space. Let's say that we'll open up it with Chrome. Weird thing that shouldn't pop out, but let's set it as default. Okay, and in here you can monitor your current storage. You need to have enough, because if you don't have enough, you simply won't be able to create it. To create a backup, of course, you can click on clean up space or get more storage. Now, to create a backup, simply hit the green button. The process will begin. In my case, it will take like 3 seconds because I don't have many messages on this account. Okay, it's already finished. We can verify it right in here. Last backup, we can see current hour. We can compare them. So now we know that everything went successfully. Down below, we also have the size of our backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.